So, this is Sensationnel's 𝚂𝚗𝚒, okay? 𝚂𝚗𝚒 is a vibe, okay? She is, but those ends, I think I want to do something different. So, I decided to cut her because I feel like it doesn't look full enough. It looks kind of stringy and it's not giving. So, we going to chop, chop, chop until we get this.
Straightening, 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 yeah, straightening, 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 yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening.
That's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing 𝚂𝚗𝚒. This is Sensationnel's Cloud 9 What Lace series. Y'all already know how I feel about that line. I'm obsessed, okay? So this is what the unit looks like straight out of the package. They give us baby hairs. What? Look at the part. Flawless, okay? Look at the curls, okay? And this is the inside construction. So this is what it looks like when I put it on my head for the first time. And baby, they came in the clutch with that hairline cut. Sis, you can't tell me nothing, okay? So I'm actually going to push the baby hairs back into the hairline because I want to show you guys what it would look like if you don't like baby hairs. So that is an option. You can just brush them on back. But I'm just going to go ahead and install the unit, and I don't like the baby hairs in the way when I'm doing so. So I'm just going to take some scissors and we're going to get rid of that lace. The less lace, the better. So now we're going to go ahead and shake up our tint and spray because you guys can see the lace is transparent. Now, I kind of went too OD on the lace spray, okay? I went ham, As you guys can see, the pigment is amazing, but sis, I did a little too much. So don't spray as much as I did. So as you guys can see, I did give some of that tint and spray on the hair. Look at that, y'all. What? But anyway, do make sure you have your blow dryer on a hot heating setting to make sure it's dry before you install it. And who knows what she was doing here, okay? So this is what the lace looks like when I put it on my head for the first time. And baby, it looks like I sat up there and bleached these knots, which we all know we can't do because she's synthetic. So girl gonna have to go in and finesse. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a makeup wipe and wipe off that tint and spray that got on the, the strands, the roots of the hair, because it's not giving what it's supposed to give like that. So I did it up. So just be mindful not to go heavy handed with it because it will seep through. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Ebin Supreme lace spray, and we're gonna go ahead and secure it down. I am going in with 1 to 2 to 3 layers of this stuff, and I'm just gonna take my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and I'm allow it to get tacky. Once it's tacky, we're just gonna lay it down, and yeah. So I'm just going to make sure that everything is laying super duper flat. So I am just going to go on both sides of the unit and pull it down. I'm going to reinforce that lace, making sure it is secured by using the, end of my comb. And then I'm just going to go back in with some air. With my blow dryer just to make sure everything is down. And I'm going to do this same process all around the entire unit. I'm just going in with my Kiss hot comb, and we're just going to go ahead and just make sure everything is laid. I don't distress the comb all the way through because I don't want to take, too much of the curl pattern out, but just around the root section. And by the way, I really love the texture of this unit. Really, really love how natural it looks, So after that, I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more of the tinting spray just to, get everything well blended. And I'm going to add my elastic band, and we're going to let her sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to take her off, and she just be flying off. And she look good, y'all. Y'all can tell me it looks super natural, okay? It definitely has like a natural texture vibe to it. So I'm just gonna go in and show you guys how easy it is just to pull the baby hairs out. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I struggle with my baby hairs this day. I don't know what it was, but I was using my 𝚃𝚑𝚒𝚑 glue gel, and I don't know if it was an old bottle, but it was getting on my nerves. It wasn't sticking. The hair was just kept lifting over and over. But y'all, so I decided to try to blow dry it before I swoop it, and I felt like it made it easier to swoop and for the product to stick and not it was just taking too long to dry. Also, I would recommend you spraying a little bit of the got2b glue spray on top of it and mix it with the gel, and I feel like it's gonna give you a flawless hold. But y'all, I struggle with these baby hairs, so don't even. So now I'm just gonna go into the define the part, and I'm just using this Kiss powder. I will have all the products I use listed down in the description section below, and we're just gonna go ahead and make sure that part is popping. And like I said, it does look like the part is too wide, so when that happens, you know, I just go in with a Sharpie, or you can use a black eyeshadow, and you just fill her on in to make her look nice and clean. You don't want to look like it's part in the Red Sea. You want the part to be there, but not that wide, okay? But anyway, y'all, I'm just gonna go in and just do a little bit of, you know, touch-ups to the hairline. Y'all know I like to do the little bump up in the front just to give it that virgin hair feel, that virgin hair vibe. I use hairspray. Do not use any type of spray that's going to turn white, because it's going to be looking ugly up there. So I use my Sebastian hairspray to hot comb everything into place, especially that nape, well, not the nape area, but the middle section. Y'all see that hump back there behind that part? Y'all, I had to spray that down because I was like, that don't look cute. I'm gonna wrap this video up. This is how the hair was looking, okay? Like I said, I wasn't feeling the layered look. It just went from thick to thin towards the ends, and it was just giving shabby. I did not like that. So it's just my personal preference to cut it. Now, like I said, y'all don't have to cut it. You can actually wear the wig as is, but I just didn't like it. It was just giving weirdness to me. I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. So as you guys can see, I'm just cutting it up to my best ability. I ain't no pro at cutting. I'm still working on a lot of stuff. So if she look crooked, if I forgot pieces, oh well, but it still came out cute. Okay. But overall, y'all, I enjoyed working with this unit. This unit is super cute because it's a lot of hair. The density is amazing. Of course, you're not going to get tanglings unless you actually running your hands through it, so I didn't get that. And like I said, I only got a little bit of shedding because I went in to cut the hair, as you guys can see. But otherwise than that, y'all, Chelsea is a vibe. She is a motherfucking vibe. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will have it linked down in the description section below. Yeah, until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.